BJ's. If you watched my vlog yesterday, I said, hold up. Sure, look at this one. I got this love. I forgot this one. If you watched my vlog, that I posted yesterday, I said that we was gonna be coming to BJ's sometime this week or next week, and we are here the next day. So, we're at BJ's. Came to do shopping. Not a little bit of shopping, a lot of shopping. I don't know. Just came to get a little bit of stuff. I don't know. Came to shop. So I was like, let me vlog again for the peoples. So that's what I'm doing. It's just me and my mom just vlogging in the store. What kind of store? It is BJ's. What is BJ's? A wholesale store. Well, a wholesale store. I made up my own rhyme. But yeah, there's 3 angles. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is good. I got this love suit on. I don't know if you can tell. I love going down bars. Yeah, or whatever. With the black Hirachi. You already know, or whatever. Rocking the hairstyle. You already know, or whatever. I'm about to say that. You already know, whatever, or whatever. So yeah. Mommy, look. This is my favorite candy. This. I like this candy. I don't know if y'all like it. Yeah, it's like little, like, I don't know how to describe it. Look, it's like little, these. That's what it is. Little one of these. These are good. They're good. So what is it? God, oops, guys can't see. Coconut patties. Ooh, what is that? Is that coconut? I mean, cookies or crackers or what?
It looks awful.
Really? Oh, it's chocolate. Oh, it's dark chocolate. Rich dark chocolate.
Okay. I'm gonna pick that myself.
I don't like that. I don't like the chocolate at all. I like regular chocolate, white chocolate, milk with almond chocolate. Those are the types of chocolates I like. Camera clear. Really clear. Guys, I am back. I'm back. And we have 3 items in our carts. I'm about to show you what we have. So we have the 40-pack water. It's not bad. Yeah, we can get that. And then we got the Angel's food cake. And then we got fruit snacks. So yeah. Those are the 3 things we have in our cart. We're still going around seeing where we can get. But those are the 3 items we have in our cart so far. So yeah. Just keep you guys updated. We need yogurt. Yeah. Which one are we taking? This one? I got the yogurts. There we go. All checked. Okay. Juice and bacon, juice and bacon, juice and bacon. We passed the juice out. So we are back again. And we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 items in our cart. About to be 9 items. And then we'll maybe be done. Maybe. I don't know yet. Maybe we'll be done. So we have the Walshy's fruit snacks, the angel cake, the water. We got honey bunches of oats.
Which one the fruit in that one? Zero sugar?
I want that one.
You want a zero sugar?
Nah, I like this one. We got honey bunches of oats, Captain Crunch. I'm about to get the Kool-Aid Jammers. This one. I'm about to get that. Okay, you guys watch me put it in the cart. Oh, yeah, the bag of chips. Okay. Beef jerky? I do not have any clue. Boom. Anyway, we got the Kool-Aid Jammers, we got yogurt, we got Captain Crunch, the original. We have, excuse me. We have honey bunches of oats. Yeah. We have ham. And yeah, those are the 9 things that we have in our cart. Now we are going to get chips and beef jerky and chips, beef jerky. Mommy, is that all? After the chips and the beef jerky? Beef jerky, So we got the beef jerky. Hold on, let me turn and then I can show you guys. Hold up. Struggling to turn. Okay. So we got the beef jerky. We got the teriyaki flavor. Beef jerky. Teriyaki flavor. So yeah. So we're at the chips aisle to get the okay. Let's see which one. This one have less stuff. This got one, yeah. This one have 42, but this one have 42, and the blue one have 42. But the blue one have more chips, and the red one only have 4. And then the blue one have 2, 4, 6, 8. The blue one have 8. So we're gonna take this one. It's the same amount of chips in the box, but it's just that, yeah, different flavors. And we'll get bored eating the same. We'll get bored. We'll get bored eating the same flavor of chips all the time. So I'm gonna take the one with different flavors. Okay. Okay. So we done, right? Yep. We got water. What's this just called? Kool-Aid. We got water, Kool-Aid Jammers, honey bunches of oats, chips, beef jerky, ham, yogurt, Captain Crunch, bacon. Oh, I forgot to tell you about that, guys. Sorry. We have bacon and the angel food cake, and we have the fruit snacks. So we're going to check out now. 1, 2, check out. Well, you guys, we are out of the store. We got some stuff. I know it's so windy out here. You guys can barely hear us. Well, we're leaving BJ's. We got our stuff. So maybe that's the end of this vlog. I mean, is this all we're going for today? This is it, right? Well, that is the end of this vlog. If you guys like, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to click that subscribe button and also comment down below. Without further ado, see you guys in my next video.